So yeah, so all of my shoes are in here in that black container, and then I have another pulley that I'll be carrying with me. I think this will be checked. So yeah. All right, so we're gonna get on the road now, and I will see you guys in Florida. I'm so excited. But yeah, I'm gonna carry my headscarf because I'll probably tie this bad boy back down. Ain't she straight? Oh, love it. All right, bye.
My dear friend, where have you been? Where have you gone? What did you win? Someone there, are you listening? Is it too late? My dear friend, we felt the sunshine, we found the gold. We thought we'd be forever young, but now I know we can't keep floating, we have to fall. This is the beat of broken hearts. Is it all love?
Hey you guys, so we're just having breakfast on the strip in Miami. The name of the place, we're at a hotel called Icon. So we're having breakfast. It's recommended from my brother and sister-in-law. They've been here before. Oh, no, we have not been here before. Oh, y'all haven't been here? This isn't. I hope it's good. Oh, how'd you hear about it? You Googled it? Oh. Okay, so this is how everybody's first time. So we'll see how it is after. There's the fam, my fabulous mother and father-in-law, and in-laws in the back. Already hear the music playing. A week long of partying, pure partying, eating, drinking, and being merry for Thanksgiving.
Welcome aboard,
oh my gosh. Oh, 1:30. Deck 10? Okay. Leader deck. Okay, thank you. Right here. How do you? She said it's called the leader deck. Does that mean L? Deck 10. Let's use these elevators. Hey you guys, so we made it to our room. That's hubby just opening up the windows so we can get some light in here. So we literally the rooms were ready just a moment ago. We just got something to eat. I already had something to drink. I'm feeling good. So what everybody agreed that we're gonna do, because we don't board for, I guess we don't sail for another few hours, is we need to take a nap. We've been driving all night and we are exhausted. So we just wanted to check in and let you guys see that we arrived safely. Let me give you guys a quick room tour, because it is cabin-like up in here. So here's the bathroom. I guess this is standard. This is our first cruise, so we don't know. Not cute, but you know, functional, exactly. We have our shower shoes for sure. We have a king-size bed here. It looks like a little desk area. with some glasses and some water. That is apparently not complimentary. Just enough pillows for hubby to steal. And then we have like a little table, our little TV here with the table kind of underneath. And let's check out the view. I'm going to love this every morning. Sorry about the windows, you guys. That's on them. So we are back from dinner and just walking around on the, is that called a bridge? What is that called?
On the deck.
On the deck? Okay. I'm thinking about Star Trek or something like that, I guess. Okay.
The bridge is where the captain is.
Oh.
He steers.
Okay. So tomorrow we're probably gonna have like a spa treat. My husband don't want me to give y'all today's update. What's today? Monday? Okay, so no song today, you guys. Not yet. Yeah, so they just came in and cleaned up. Look at this. What we gonna name this? Y'all see the eyes? Jerry.
That's Rick and Morty folks know what I'm talking about.
Oh, the Rick and Morty fans. I mean, this was just in the bed, you guys. When we came in, they came in and freshened up everything. So we brought some food in to just nibble on, some tempura shrimp, because y'all know your girl loves some shrimp. So this is snacks. We're on vacation. Ain't nobody thinking about hips and stomachs. So we're gonna check out. We're gonna say good night, and we'll see what tomorrow brings. Hey you guys, so we just had breakfast and we're walking alongside the beach in Miami. Say hey, babe.